How to download offline maps on Google Maps. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can download offline maps on Google Maps. For that, you'll have to open your Google Maps application on your mobile device and make sure you are signed into your Google account. Once you reach to this page, you'll click on the search bar at the top and find the location you want to search. Find the destination of that place. And once you find it, click on that pin icon on the map. Once you click on it, you will see this interface on your screen where at the top right you will find various icons. Click on those three dots to access more menu, and from the menu that appear you will find download offline map option. You just simply have to click on this option and click on this download. Wait patiently until the selected map data downloads to your device. After the download is complete, you can access it by clicking on it. You can turn off your Wi-Fi or any other data cellular and access your offline map. So in this way you can download offline maps in Google Maps on your mobile device. It allows you to access map data even when you don't have an internet connection. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.